Hey guys, imagine transforming your car into a tech haven in just minutes. Today, we're unboxing a game changer for your ride. The 2024 CarPodGo T3 Pro 60 FPS CarPlay. Let's dive right in and see what's in the box. First up, we have the main unit. This sleek device features a magnetic base for easy mounting and a light sensor, perfect for adapting to any lighting condition. Let's keep this aside and take a look at the other essentials. The 9-watt power cord. This powers up your device. Next, the fixed console mount keeps everything securely in place on your car's console. Then there's the OTG cable, which connects various peripherals easily. And don't forget the user manual. It's your quick guide to getting started. In addition to the standard accessories, we also have some complementary items. The suction cup mount lets you attach things to your car's glass. The backup camera enhances your car's safety by providing a clear view of what's behind you. And the Bluetooth aux receiver adds Bluetooth to your car, so you can stream music wirelessly. Stick around to see how these pieces fit together and make your car tech-ready. The fully laminated screen offers a seamless black texture with a resolution of 1920 x 720. It's almost like having a retina-quality display right in your car. With an 8.9-inch size and 16.7 million colors, the visuals are stunningly vibrant. The brightness reaches 700 nits, and with a PPI of 230, every detail pops. On the side, you'll find all the essential ports: USB-C port, microphone, AV-in for camera, aux, and the power port. The display-only Bluetooth mode makes connecting your phone for maps, music, and calls seamless. It even supports steering wheel buttons and a microphone for added convenience. Plus, it features a robust magnetic base that can hold up to 8 kg, ensuring your screen stays put. You can easily adjust the CarPlay screen. Change the angles to get the best view for your driving position. Take a look at the display. It's vibrant and clear, perfect for any driving condition. Experience smoother scrolling with 60 Fps wireless CarPlay. From startup to display in just 12 seconds, it's impressively quick. In the settings, under the display section, you can easily adjust the brightness. Whether you want it bright and vivid or dimmed down for a night drive, it's all up to you. You can also personalize your experience with 3 custom wallpapers. Simply choose your favorite to give your CarPlay screen a unique touch. Another cool feature is the ability to set the logo according to your car. This logo will display every time you turn on the screen, giving it a seamless, integrated look. In the volume section, adjusting the volume is straightforward. Whether you're taking calls or listening to music, you can get the perfect sound level. Speaking of sound, the CarPlay device comes with built-in speakers on the back. Let's check out the speaker quality. As you can hear, the audio is crisp and clear, making every drive more enjoyable. The UI design embraces a line neomorphism style, focusing on simplifying features while enhancing core functionalities. Timed night mode with light sensor to screen brightness ensures you're never straining your eyes, no matter the time of day. So, can your car do this? With the CarPodGo T3 Pro, it can. This device not only enhances your driving experience, but also makes every journey more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tests, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech unboxings and reviews. Having said that, I will see you guys in the next video.